Air masses and fronts. A large body of air, called an air mass, makes the weather change as it moves. An air mass contains air that is all about the same temperature and has about the same amount of moisture or water in it. Have you ever watched a weather report on television? You might see arrows that point to the air masses as they move around the United States. Cold air masses come from the north, and warm air masses come from the south. Air masses over land have little or no water. Air masses that form over water have a lot of water in them. Depending on the temperature and level of moisture in an air mass, different weather is formed. Stratus clouds, cumulus clouds. If you can recognize the different kinds of clouds, you can tell what the weather might be like. Now that we've read air masses and fronts, go ahead and fill out the questions in the resource area.